Hello my friend, I hope that you are well. It is just a quick video that I don't have prepared before, just to talk about why I have stopped my course related to JavaScript. The main reason, as you know, is the appearance of this tool, the amazing tool. It is ChatGPT. I think if you are a developer or software engineer, you have heard about this tool or the API, Open API. So now, I think it's my personal use. It's now we don't need the full course about anything about IT subject. So, for example, JavaScript or Kubernetes, etc., what you want. You can learn step by step what you want with this tool. It is free. It is not mandatory to use the new version GPT-4. It is not mandatory. I think for beginners, it's very sufficient to use GPT 3.5. Okay, I will show you how to learn JavaScript, for example, or any programming language, any other tool using ChatGPT. So, as I said before, I don't have prepared this video. So let's start by giving him some example to start learning JavaScript. I will don't explain you what is ChatGPT because there are a lot of video. If you want, I can give you, of course, the prompt how to use it. But a lot of video. Okay, I will just give you an example how to continue the course, inshallah. So, to continue the course or to use ChatGPT, you must give him the personality. Okay, because it is like a robot, a person that will talk with him. So, for this example, we'll use it as a person or an expert in JavaScript development. Okay, so I will ask him, I will tell him, act like a JavaScript expert. Development. Okay. Now he will tell me, yes, I am here, don't worry. So I will be like a JavaScript expert. Now I am beginners. Okay, I am noobs. Talk what you want. I am noobs. So give me a roadmap to start to learn JavaScript step by step. Okay, from beginners to expert. I will ask him to give me the roadmap. Okay, so as you can see, here is the big roadmap. I am using the free version here, not the paid version. So as you can see, here is all the roadmap. If you are not satisfied with this answer, you can ask him, of course, give me more chapter. You can or give me more chapter in this roadmap. For example, I need 20 chapters. Okay, so now if you give me 20 chapters because the precedence, it is not sufficient for me. Now I will enter step by step. Now I will ask him to give me this one. So I'll ask him to give me this one, the data about this one, or directly without copy paste. So give me the full roadmap to learn the first chapter. Okay? Now, as you can see, here's the full roadmap, the detail. Why to continue? No, there is no reason. Okay? Now, for example, I will ask him, now, I want to give me the detail, or what you want. Tell me what you want. I will choose the operators. Okay. Now, give me an example for beginner related the operators, and explain me step by step each line, like I am child, like for children. Okay, component. Look, that's good. Let's go. Now, as you can see, he give me the detail. My answer, I can ask him, of course, the more detail. Of course, let's talk about the basic operators. We want to create a program that can create the area of rectangle. Okay. Give me another, as you can see now, there is detail for each line. Line 3, line 4, Give me another example. Another example, more complex. Of course, you can ask him with which language you want. Here it is in English. You can ask him in Arabic. Okay, you can ask him also. In Arabic, it is not powerful. I think it's a big problem. But you can ask him also in French, in Spain, in what you want. Okay. As you can see, here is another example, and you have the details step by step, etc., etc. So you can continue with this methodology to continue the course to learn JavaScript or any other language. Okay. So here, you can, of course, create a program. For example, now you have achieved what you want to learn the first chapter. Now, I ask him, I suppose I have finished to learn the operators in JavaScript. So, give me a full script that I can use to achieve some, for example, achieve some daily task using operators with JavaScript or with JS. Yeah, okay. Good. He give me an example. Daily expense and remaining budget. As you can see, here is the program. Okay? Good. Very good. Now you just copy paste this code to Visual Studio and you continue what you want. Okay? It's very, very powerful. As you can see, here is the example. Just copy your code and paste it into your editor or Visual Studio code and just execute it. Okay, so it's very, very simple how to use ChatGPT. Now it is, as I said, it is a quick video why I have stopped the course. Okay, so I recommend you to use this tool, and of course it is just as I said, very quick video. The next tool will be about all the tools that will help you in programming using AI to achieve the task. There is a lot of tools. Of course, we talk about another tool, not just for programming, for the image editing, video editing, etc., text to audio, etc., etc. So the video will not be shared each week or each month. It depends of course, my availability. So be patient, please. But now I think, as I said, you don't need to use or to buy any full course. Okay? I think you have understood what I want. Okay? So I hope to see you, inshallah, in the next video to start to explain this new AI tool. It will be very helpful. You will see, for example, about one amazing tool. It is GitHub Copilot X or GitHub Copilot. Okay, you will see this. It's very, very amazing. So take care of us. See you, inshallah, for next video. تهلا في رواحكم. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.